There's a branch that comes out. That supports some of our S-curve foliage. Oh, that doesn't look too bad. I'm truly amazed. It's hard to tell till you get it up there what it really looks like by just looking at the palette. Now I'll change his color a little bit. Right now I'm going to put it all the way, just about all the way up and down the tree. I have some really cool markings from all those elk that have almost chewed them to pieces. And down at the base I'm going to put a little black. But see, I've already got this color here, so the black is kind of mingling in with it, which I kind of like. At the same time, I've got on my brush, I think I'll just put some of these little markings on. There we go, that's better. That's more like I remember it. A little fast. And see what a contrast there is, because I have all these darks, and I want to get a little variation in this over what I had the other day. And I can kind of go into that yellow-green. It's a beautiful glow that it has. And so I'm going to try to kind of get that back. And I'm not going to, whoops, lots of paint there. I'm not going to do this color everywhere, but right around our main tree here I am. And very lightly. And just barely kind of tweak it. I just don't want it out by itself there. So I might indicate some light greens back in it. And so what if I make the reflected light kind of a greenish yellow? Let's just see if this works. And this would be light that when the sun hits the ground. Well, we're at the end of our outdoor journey, and it sure was nice having you with me while I painted outdoors virtually. I had company. This is the finished painting in a frame, and it's always good to put a frame around your painting all the way through it.